Hey guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Bellwether. Guys, I got a really solid short sale I want to show you guys or bring to your attention. This is not for everyone. It's a very advanced trade. You have to be set up on margin. That's a whole different story. But if you are that person and you have time and you got this fast enough, you might want to take a look at this. This is not financial advice. This is a lot more aggressive type of trading. For you guys that just have an interest in short trading, please follow along. It's only going to be a couple of minutes. And let me explain what I'm looking to do. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it. I mainly have an interest in this just for the fun and for the educational purpose for you guys. Now, this is GFI, which is Goldfinch Protocol. It's up 84% right now, guys. It's just been running all morning. And you know, when you go through, they did have some good news. They announced that, I think they were staked about 107% more for last month than the month before. That's pretty strong growth. That's a big statement. But when you rally 84% in a day, when you have global unrest, when you have the Fed stuff going on right now, and when you have the SEC regulatory uncertainty, for me to in my opinion, for me to consider this pretty risky, that means it's going to have to close up in here, right, after running 84% and then run higher after that. So, that being said, here's what I would be looking to do. I'm not sure if I'm going to do this or not, but, here's the high. So, if we're lucky, it's going to go up and test that high. I'm guessing it's not going to quite make it that high. It's probably, see how that's a fail. It was there. That's a fail. That's a fail. My guess is we got just a little bit more. I tried to get this thing. Actually, I made one about 30 minutes ago, and I couldn't get it through in my computer. It was literally right in here, but that doesn't matter. I just want to show you uh, primarily my thought process, and like I said, it's educational. But I'm guessing uh, it's probably just going to go up in there and fail. Uh, Now, there's a chance it could keep running. I mean, this is crypto. But like I said, fundamentally, like I would never challenge a chart like that if Bitcoin was like making new highs, because that is a hell of a run. And in crypto, it would be common for it to do like that and then take off again. That's not what you want to do. You never want to short in an environment like that. But this is a very negative to sideways uh, environment. There's nothing positive about anything, even though they have some good news. So my guess is it's going to, test these highs. Even it may make a run. I hope it does. That's what I really want. But the odds are we're going to wake up in the morning. It doesn't have support until right there. But the odds are it's probably going to, my guess would be it's going to come in from here to there, somewhere in there, and it's going to just start to go from there, whatever it's going to do. So, my opinion, when I talk about the risk reward, I just don't feel that if someone shorted that thing, let's say right here, just watch it on the 1 minute for say 10 minutes or so. Go ahead and short like 50%. If you're lucky, it starts to challenge up here. You short 25%. If it happens to break that high, short the other 25%, and then just come back tomorrow and see where it's at. My guess is, like I said, it's going to be down in here. I don't see that it's that big a risk reward. Now, that's my opinion. And when I say risk reward, I'm not talking about the crypto part. I'm talking about strictly the trading part. But anyway, guys, I want you to follow along and start to learn how to short trade. Short trading is a very good thing to know. It's a really good tool in a sideways to down market. Uh, I would never short stuff unless I was just really, really aggressive in a really strong market where everything's like, if everything across the board was pumping today and Bitcoin was pumping, stay out of stuff like that. That's the biggest downside to short selling is you can lose more than you put in. If you don't understand short selling, I do have a a video in the playlist, so check it out. Anyway, guys, hopefully that gave you something to think about. Um, Again, if this thing did start to, if it falls back hard, I would just liquidate all of it. But if it just kind of falls out and looks like it's going to go sideways, I might dump, 50%, 75%. You never know. But I think it's going to end up being super clean. There's a chance I might just go ahead and watch it, depending on how it's acting. Somewhere in here, might just go ahead and put all of it in. Like I said, I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. Just put it all in, get it over with, and then just wherever it's at tomorrow, just liquidate it, or the next day. Uh, you know, but there's there's a really good chance that it's over and that it goes like that. It could run again tomorrow. If it happens to run again, let's say we close out this trade. If it happened to run again, I'd short it again, right? If it could go on for a couple of days. I don't see it unless something positive comes out. I don't see that happening. Anyway, guys, please subscribe. These are time sensitive. Hit the like button, leave some comments, and let me know your thoughts. Take care, guys.